So the first very interesting thing is that the default screenshot and screencast tool of KDE Plasma, that is called Spectacle, it now can recognize text from the screenshot. Now for that, I'm choosing here an hazy textbook. You can see that the characters are not clear, something hazy. And now let's open up the Spectacle. You can press the key print screen, and here just select the portion. Okay, and you can see here's the option extract text and open in text editor. And now you can see the text it is showing is written in the text editor. And you can see that this OCR technology is amazing because the text here are really hazy, and Spectacle has done a really good job, and you can see all the text are clearly mentioned here in the text editor. Now you can copy and paste this text into anything, whatever you want. Now the second thing is go to the network, and here you will see, okay, this is the network, this is the Galaxy, it is my Wi-Fi broadband, and suppose I'm just disconnect it for now, and I want to connect to a hotspot, suppose the mobile hotspot. So I have the mobile, and I'm just turning on my Wi-Fi hotspot here, and I'm now enabling the QR code. So by scanning the QR code, you can connect to that network, that Wi-Fi network. For that, you need to click here. Here is the icon. And if this icon is not active, so you have to install the package QRCA. This package you should install. Now since I am running in Fedora, so I can type in the terminal just sudo dnf install, just like this, sudo dnf install and QRCA. Hit enter and type the password. Okay, it is already installed in my system, and this is very interesting tool. You can scan QR and barcodes and also create some QR code. You can see you can write some text and QR code is generated instantly. So that's a very important tool. Now how you can connect to a Wi-Fi network through QR code scanning. So just click here in the network icon, and now click here, this icon, and now camera will open up. Camera is in use because already a camera is in use, that is my built-in camera of the laptop. Now in my Android mobile phone, I'm just turning on personal Wi-Fi hotspot, and then I'm just showing my QR code, and let's scan this. Okay, Wi-Fi settings found, so just connect. And you can see now it is connected. Another update is the custom theme setting. So for that, I'm just open up system settings and in the global themes, right, in the global theme. And now you know that KDE is the most customizable desktop in the world. And so now some customization I can do. Suppose the colors, I'm just choosing, well, this, apply. All right, then application style, suppose like Windows. All right, and plasma style, suppose adapter. Okay, what other customization you can do? Now window decorations, suppose this. All right, icons. Now change the icons to this, and cursor. Now these border cursors are amazing. And now system sound and splash screen, I can choose whatever I want. And also the login screen, SDM login screen, whatever I can choose it from here. And now all these settings are done. And you can see my look of the KDE desktop has changed completely. Now I have to set all these things into a single theme. Go to the global theme, and here save current theme. Okay, you can add a preview, take a screenshot. Okay, save it. Okay, this is a screenshot, and type a name. So I'm just naming it custom and confirm. Well, now you can see a custom theme is here. To know about all the updates and bug fixes, you just go to the post in the kde.org. This is the post for Plasma 6.6. You can see a lot of updates are here, and this is a great release. KDE Plasma is of course the best desktop in the world right now, and no doubt about this. So that's all for today's video, and if you are enjoying it, hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Okay, so thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video very soon. Till then, take care and goodbye.